I'm actually really excited right here because my printer finally arrived and wow. So this is just me super elated about getting a printer. First printer I'm actually getting ever since I started photography about 7 years ago. I can't wait to actually see some of my works in print, and let's just get into this. Like really, I can't just wait to go through this. So guys, I actually thought I was gonna take this old box down to my studio so the printer can actually stay in the studio, but I think I just have to, like, I'm thinking I would leave the printer at home because it's quite heavy. I need to get an extra hand to get this down to my studio, so I would just rather chuck it somewhere in my room and just deal with it. So I'm just gonna take this out of the wrapper. So I lost the footage where I unboxed the printer, but this is a Canon Pro 1000 printer, and here's me trying to just make my first print ever, and I actually love the images coming from this. Now since I don't have like frames to actually fit in the print I made, I'm gonna have to like go down to the shop to actually look for like frames that I can fit the print into. And so yeah, come along with me, let's do this together.
Busy man. Finally everyone, we found a shop, a store with frames. He was disappointed at first. There you go, man them.
You don't know, yeah?
So that's the frame bit. He was disappointed because the store person told us this is the only frame we've got. But having a good girlfriend, I'm joking. Found the place. Nice bunda. He's struggling.
Struggle is real. So what are your prints?
Please order his print.
Yeah, hold out your prints. This is the struggle I have to go through.
Got it. Are we getting sponsored by them?
Are we getting sponsored by who?
Tuning. Hey, where are we at?
Nowhere. I'm going to put you on sale. I already placed you on eBay for sale, so I'm going to deliver
Everyone, buy me an eBay. This is our mess, everyone, but look at that. This one? Are we putting me there?
Yeah. Me there? Is me there?
Oh, midi. Midi?
Me there.
Me there.
Yeah.
We're putting me there.
This one feels like actually. Oh, this is actually glass.
That is actual glass.
You see, IKEA.
IKEA can't relate.
IKEA didn't give me glass.
Featuring Tim's dye plant. Yeah, it is. Looks nice. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like blurry. Then Tim was like, tried to wipe it, and I was like, it's not. That's still. Why is it like that? And he was just like, babes, take it, and I started scratching it, and he was like, nah, I don't think it has some plastic. And guess what? It still has some plastic.
Wow.
You know, like I started scratching, and it's actually there's like this plastic bit that he hasn't come up for how many years. This man can't live without me.
But she's rude. She's very rude. Like, cause I bought some frames way before now, which I kept in my house, and I actually thought that that's the way the frame is going to look like. I never knew there was like clean film in front of the glass or something, and now look at her. She's now right here actually just insulting me because I never knew. It's like, allow it now, allow it, get rest. So guys, I am absolutely stunned. Like, look at these images in print. I love. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.